Incremental ratings. So a new update in SuperMemo 20 has been the styling. If you remember, search, other registries, and style, that is the style registry. And now look at this, how awesome it is. So on the right side, the right panel, I can see the preview. So, well, both. I can see the code, and at the same time is styled according to the styling. In this case, are they built in? Closed. When you create an extract, this is color, highlight, ignore, reference, and all of these, right? Awesome. Then, in SuperMemo 20, you also have the dark mode. And this is an example that includes the body. So like everything that is not concrete will default to body. The closation, you see, are all of the others more or less, and I can actually modify this. You see the headers? Red, purple, kind of a blue, kind of a green, header 4. I added this manually myself a few years ago, but now I can see it. And I add even some other classes like blend, link, light, and connect that I did fairly early on to color code stuff. Now, now we can see it. Nice. Then this is a CSS file. That means that I can right click, edit text, and here it is. You can also edit it if you want with Notepad or whatever external tool, but here you can still edit it. And instead of 20 pixels, I want the padding, I want to be 12, whatever. Or the color, pa-pa-pam. So let's do something easy. You see the font size is in points, not in pixels. I don't like this standard, I prefer pixels. And I will change the color so it's more obvious that we're changing stuff. So edit text, I go to body, I will put 20 pixels, and I will change the color to 222. Awesome. Click on OK. It looks exactly the same. Yeah, it doesn't refresh. So select something else, go back. Hey, that's not what I said. It's still the other one. Okay, let me close it down. Let's go back to the dialog, the registry. And hey, what's happening? It's not updating anything. So everything that I do, and I edit this, it doesn't save. Do you see it says 888? If I do 222, stays the same. I'm sure that's a bug. So what I suggest, instead of using this dialog, use just an external tool. You can do that by edit, copy path, and then you open that. Open. You paste the path at the top. Add this, open it. Oh, it's opening the other notepad. No worries. So in this case, it's open in a external tool, the same experience as SuperMemo 19 and 18. And then now I will change 222 and 20 pixels. Let me save it. Has this taken effect now? Let's check it out. Search, other registries, style, language learning. And here you go. Now it's unreadable because I set a color very close to the font. At least it's obvious that it worked. Awesome. And that's pretty cool. If you have different flows, like, hey, language learning, I want the styling to be one concrete color. It's not just dark and light, right? Or Longman, in this case it looks like trash because I copy-pasted from the website, so there are a ton of stuff that doesn't render well, but I don't care. because I'm not going to change this anytime soon. It's static, so it's not a big deal. But just to let you know that, hey, at least it gets the classes. So I will leave it here. There will be more stuff on the course, the SuperMemo 20 annex to the fluency track of the course, the approachable guide to SuperMemo, because yeah, there's some slight obscure details that do change, and in case you don't have that, you can or say, hey, I have customized my own colors, right? I don't use the defaults. Yeah, you can right-click, tools, add predefined styles, and some other stuff that it's beyond this. But the point of this video was just to let you know that now you have this convenience, finally. It's not just plain text. So in case you have something that, hey, you just need to ignore, or you import a Wikipedia page, and you see this color, oh, what is this? Oh, it turns out it's this, the ignore. It was an ad, right? So with this, oh, it's that color. What is that? Oh, ignore, boom. You can see it. It's a detail, but it's very good to have, especially if you care about the styling and you put colors in every single template and so on. So remember, never edit within SuperMemo. Edit the files externally. And if SuperMemo doesn't see that, doesn't update the styling, just refresh the page. If you cannot do it like this, just close the dialog and open it again, and that will be it. That's all for now. See you incrementally.